Hey guys, it's Mrs. Zabst. Another day, another sight word. We are off and ready to learn a new one. The one we are going to be thinking about today is a tricky one because there are a lot of parts of it that we just have to memorize. It's one word that does not follow a lot of the rules. So, the word that we're going to learn today is the word none. I want you to look at the word none with me when I write it on my board. None is spelled N-O-N-E. None. When I look at the word none, I do hear the N at the beginning of the word. N. It makes the correct sound. None. So I can remember in my brain that none makes the beginning sound N. It follows that rule. The other parts, not so much. We don't hear the O sound. None. We do hear another N. None. But it sounds like the word ends because we don't hear the E at the very end. So we hear the N at the beginning and we hear another N, but we have to remember that there's an E at the end. None is the word. Let's put it into our brain because it's a hard one to remember. None. N-O-N-E. None. Say the word none. Spell the word none. N-O-N-E. None. Good. Say the word none. Spell the word none. N-O-N-E. None. Perfect. The word is none. If you don't have a piece of paper and something to write with, please go get it now and come back and be ready to do some thinking. Press pause so that we don't move ahead without you. Okay, this is our word none. I'm going to take away one of the letters. You write down on your paper which one I've taken away. Ready? What is missing in the word none? Shout it out or write it down. The one at the end, we don't hear it, E. None. Say the word none. Good. Here goes another one. Which one is missing in the word none? Write it down or shout it out. The first one. Letter N. N. None. Say the word none. Spell the word none. N-O-N-E. None. Good. One more time. I took away two. Which two did I take out of the middle of the word none? Write the word on your paper. Shout out what's missing. Be ready to share in 3, 2, 1. N-O-N-E. None. Say the word none. Spell the word none. N-O-N-E. None. Good. Turn your paper over. And on your paper, I want you to write the word none. I'm also going to be writing the word none. And then we're going to check to make sure that we've both written it correctly. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. Check yours with mine. N-O-N-E. None. Say it, none. Spell it. N-O-N-E. None. If you made a mistake on yours, erase it, do it right again. I want you to fold your paper in half so that it has nothing on it and write the word none again. 4 letters. You hear the first sound. You do hear another sound, that's correct, but it's in a tricky spot. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. Check yours with mine. N-O-N-E. None. Say the word none. Spell the word none. N-O-N-E. None. Awesome. If you have magnet letters at your home, I want you to find the letters that spell the word none. Use them to build the word none. Then mix them all up again and build the word again. This will help you continue to practice this word none. Keep up your hard work. Bye.